What's up, guys and gals? My name is Roy and you're watching Roy's Customs. Well, today, as if you know, yesterday I did do some more work to the driver's side skirt, and today I'm going to do even more work. I'm going to sand down the fiberglass, get it roughed up, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a layer of body filler, and then probably sand that out, and we're going to see where we're sitting on that, and then hopefully I can get to the passenger side and at least get it started, get the templates put on and get it fiberglassed to give it the shark fins. So anyways, we're gonna get into that right now. Okay, so now that we got that done, man, it's a little warm. Well, anyways, now that we got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give it a good wipe down, and I'm gonna do my first coat of body filler, and then we're gonna see what that looks like. So now to wipe this down and see what this actually looks like. From what I can tell, from what I can see, it looks pretty decent, but it is still going to need more smoothing, another coat of body filler. So I'll get it wiped down real good. We'll check it out and see what it looks like now. And then we will do another coat of body filler. Okay, before I show you what I've done today and how it looks, I do want to explain that first, if you decide to take on your own DIY body kit, make sure you got at least a gallon of resin, gallon of body filler, make sure you got plenty of sandpaper, make sure you got your fleece, make sure you got your fiberglass cloth, and some fiberglass matting. Probably would have came in handy a few times here, but anyways, and before you actually fiberglass, especially the side skirts, make sure they're the shape that you want. Now I'm fighting this, and I've used extra materials and stuff that I didn't really expect to be using. So anyways, just keep that stuff in mind if you decide to take on your own DIY body kit. The front bumper wasn't too bad. I've still got a few little tweaks to do to the front bumper. I got some more filling and shape, a little bit more smoothing and shaping and stuff on the side skirt. But as far as this video, I'll show you what I've done today, and I'll show you how it looks. So just keep in mind that I still got a little bit more work to do on it. So anyways, check it out. Okay, so as you can see, it's kind of coming together on this side anyways. The thing is to finish it up and get to working on the other side. I will start the other side. I'll probably start that here in a little while, but right now I'm going to take a break from this, and this is going to be it for this video. So like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and keep following the body kit, because like I say, if you have all your materials all at once and you get the shape that you want to start with, you won't have to do all this extra stuff. This is my first body kit, and I wasn't sure how I wanted it shaped, so at least make sure you know how you want it shaped before you actually get started on the resin part. That'll save you a lot of headache and a lot of extra material usage down the road. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.